and welcome back to another episode of the Ghost Fishing. I've got my young fella with me today, and
which I say bass.
Yeah, we're basically just been rang up or sent a message from a guy. I'm pretty sure he's from California. I've never met him, but his old man had sent through a message, and yeah, he's heading home to California this Saturday, so he asked me if I could try and guide him on to catching some fish while he's over here. So I'm right now just fueling up, and we're actually going to head and try and get the Aussie icon bass for him. I know Americans chase a lot of bass over there. We were going to go salt, but we've had really hard conditions the last couple of days. I did go and have a look around for the last 3 days, and I couldn't even get a topwater brim. So we decided we'll fuel up and we'll head inland and see if we can find him something, and then we'll move on from there and try and get a bass. Wish us luck, and let's go get him.
See ya.
Oh, hello. This is Reese. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, sorry. Luva. How are you? I'm just at the boat ramp, if Benji's keen. Oh, co-op. Yeah, okay. I'll drive over there and I'll pick him up. Yeah, no worries. I'll go and have a look for him now. Thank you. Yeah, it should be advisable. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. No worries. But here he is. How you going, brother? Good.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Reese. Jump in, mate. Yeah. I got the young fella with me. We're going on a bit of an adventure.
Sounds good.
Hopefully find some bass.
Yeah.
I know you get them in the nose. Geez, you have a story to tell now. Yeah, I went with this guy and he fell in the water. Oh, I just had a bump then. I'm certain. Yeah, I'm sure that was a bump, unless there's a tree under there.
The other difference here in the US is everybody fishes right-handed here.
Oh, are you left-handed? You can switch that around if you want. It's missing the cap.
No, it doesn't feel uncomfortable, but you know, every rod that they sell is
all right-handed. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, I lost it. Oh, no. Still got him. Oh, he hit that hard. Up in those shadows. No, why? No, you're alright. Keep fishing. He's a good fish too, man, I think.
Is it a bass?
Yeah, would be. Or a catfish.
Do they swim in schools a lot here?
You'll find they'll feed a lot, yeah. Oh yeah, no, it's a good bass, man. Yeah, straight in the middle of that pylon, get right up against it. If you can. Look at that one.
Yeah, it looks a little bit like a
smallmouth.
It's like a combination of a smallmouth, a little more like a largemouth, I'd say.
See if I can get him up without it breaking up. There he is. He hit that lure. I thought I had a bump the first time, you know, when I said I think I got a bump. Yeah, they're spiky. Their mouths are good, but you just grab them in the mouth. There's your first Aussie bass look at one. Let's get you on one. I thought they were here the other day when I saw them.
Yeah, no, they hit it pretty hard.
There he is. Pretty little thing. That's small in the amount of the bass that you do catch here. Yeah. They get like
much bigger.
Yeah, snap you off on 10 pound, you know. That's cool. He scared me.
I thought you had a log for a minute.
Well, I thought the first one was
I
a...
got a hit.
Did ya? Yeah.
Got a touch.
Just a donk.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep feeding through here, I reckon. See, there's a shadow from the bridge. They're probably sitting on that shadow, man.
Oh, I went the other way.
There he goes. Yes! Oh, I heard it. Is that drag set alright? Bit tight?
Nah, real loose.
Bit loose? Yeah, tighten her up. They'll hit again. They're aggressive, man. Just keep casting.
We pop this on the other side.
Yeah. Switch it around. It's an older reel mate gave me, so it's missing the...
Get it out.
Or is it seized?
Kind of.
It's like...
No, you got it.
I think you already loosened it. Is it that way or that way when you go left-handed? That way. It's confusing, man. I used to have to do it at work when people were left-handed.
Yeah, I didn't realize that when I came here and went to the fish shop. I was like, everybody's right-handed.
Easier to cast and do that.
Yeah, no.
How are you supposed to make a wide lift? That looks hard.
He's going to get one in a second.
Look, Dad, it's in the nest. See?
Keep casting over there where you were, I reckon.
Look, Dad! Look! Nest! See, the bird's in the nest.
Yeah.
It was kind of like, it hit me like right about here.
Just in there, yeah. Followed it in. Oh, you nearly cast me right in, boy.
Sorry.
Alright.
Need to.
Well, you need to fish back where you were. He can't cast now. That's it.
It's harder here.
You can still cast up towards that corner, mate. Bring it through the bridge. Oh, I wish you got that hook up. I heard the drag when he hit it, I was like, oh.
Definitely had a good touch of it.
He just boom.
But it's definitely a little different from like a largemouth or something like that, because I mean they just suck in.
Yeah, okay. This is more of a whack.
Yeah.
You'll know when one wants it, mate. He'll really hit it.
I mean, especially when you fish with something like a Texas rig or a Senko. You got to set the hook and you got to feel it.
Yeah.
Because you're boom, boom, boom. Let it drop, let it sit, and it'll just suck it off the bottom and then start swimming away with it, so you don't feel like a strike or anything.
And then yeah, you hit it. He's on. You still got him? Oh, I dropped him.
They're
Yeah,
there.
they're there.
They're definitely there.
I want to see why it's not getting the hook up. Let's look at a lure for a sec. I think they're sharp as. Yeah, they're spiky as.
In the US.
No one does really here. Out west, the people eat them. Most people just sports fishing. Oh yes. I think it's a carp. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's a carp. I wondered that was a really slow pickup, and I was like, that's not a bass. Yeah, oh, that was a good carp. Yeah, it's a carp.
Can I wipe it, Daddy? Can I
Yeah,
This is on my left.
careful. Just go easy on him because that's a light line. He's a hard fighting fish there. Yeah, that wasn't a hit, it was a slurp, and then I was like, oh, okay, I'm on. There you go, Julian. Bat carp do eat divers.
Oh, that's a big carp.
It's the first carp, oh no, second carp I've ever caught on a hard body, that's for sure.
Yeah,
That's the second one I've caught, but
And it's a big one.
And definitely bait.
he actually come up and ate it. Yep, fully ate it. They're not aggressive
Dad,
hitters.
I'll drag it over today.
Yeah, okay. Watch out for Benji. Don't slip in, but Benji will be on next. They'll probably just get better all afternoon here. So the water's still running out quite a lot. Yeah. Saw that. Saw the line go.
Alright.
Yeah, just hold my hand so you don't slip in. Oh, watch your line. There we go. Oh. Yeah, just careful. I'll slide him up the mud because it's that light leader.
There we go.
Yes!
Just have to work it.
Wait, just hold it there. We've got doubles. We've got a bass. Just go easy on him.
Just have to give it a twitch.
How good's that? Oh! That's a good bass. First Australian bass. And it's a honker.
Jesus.
It's a honker. Let's try not to lose it.
Hey, Dad, look, I got the copper.
No, that's a good one, man.
Look, Dad, I got the... Oh!
That's a solid one.
I got the copper.
Worth the fall in, eh?
Definitely.
Look at the boys, they've got the fish going everywhere.
Double hooker.
Just look at him. It's all on film for the new movie too.
And three in the back.
And yeah, we got the carpy over here, doubles.
First ever Australian bass.
How good's that?
First hookup.
And he's not a bad one either. I reckon he'd be,
Kilo maybe.
yeah, he'd be, you know, up that 40 centimetre range. Surely.
Should we see which one's
40,
the best?
Oh, I think yours is.
no, I reckon the bass is longer than the carp.
Yeah, it's a little bit like a largemouth, a little bit like a smallmouth.
Yes,
Because it's got the small, obviously
and then
the
a
smaller mouth.
massive still.
Yeah.
Just stay there.
I'll show you something quickly. Guys, sweet, you'll get another one. You can get those 50s in here. Like, and when if you get a 50, they're honkers. Yes, that was a good moment.
No, it was just a couple twitches and
Boom!
boom. Just needed it. I mean, I guess it just didn't want that.
It's a bit of mud. He wanted more of that pause.
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
Never seen a carp.
that's the second one I've ever caught on a hard body.
Can we go to a different spot?
No, you gotta, mate, did you see he kept casting the whole time and eventually, oh yeah, they're there. Oh, that's a good one.
Can I wind it? You've already winded it back.
No, you're alright, keep casting, mate, you'll get one. They're there. There's more than one fish out there. You get so excited, don't you? Slow roll, mate, that's all I was. Little twitch here and there. Ooh, ooh. He's not a bad one too, I think. Oh, I think he's a nice one.
Oh! I don't think that's a bass.
Is it another carp?
I'm pretty sure.
No way. Like, he's rolling around like,
That's the car.
it is another carp. No way. I'm the carp king.
Your third carp ever on a lure.
He hit it like a fish.
This is your third carp ever on a lure.
Yep, 2 in a row. Carp specialist. I can guide you on a carp fishing tour. Might have to attack the European market. No way. They do fight well, but they don't stop fighting, the little buggers. I can't believe that. He's bigger than the other one.
Definitely.
Don't let it go now.
And you're eating hard bodies, mate. What's going on here? The carp are mutating.
Come here. Aggressive.
Yeah, I'll get it. You're alright. Have a cast with this one. Over here. So yeah. I got a bump in behind that tree. It's a bit smoother, that one. You will like that one.
You can actually see it from right
Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah, we're a retrieval. You can almost fish out of this tree.
Got it around the tree.
You're alright, keep fishing. Yeah. Might get some longer casts in with that one. Feels super weird, eh? For me. It's like the brain can't read it. Yes, he's on. No way. Another one.
It's a big carp too.
Yeah. Pulling some string. Oh, I'm lifting me up. Oh, there's another species.
Can I get it, Dad? I want to get it, Dad.
No, I don't want it to snap. There's another species for you.
Never seen carp take hard bodies.
Nah, a first ever and a first ever.
I mean,
Have you
they
caught carp before?
just- No.
Yeah, first
Never.
ever on a first ever. That's crazy. The carp are aggressive here, eh? They're real slimy.
Let me just.
You want a picture of it or not?
Nah.
Not the carp.
Not
It's on the
that
video anyway, carp man. That's crazy what he hit you right here.
Just right. I mean, literally, I wasn't even really thinking about it. Just kind of sucked it up.
Yeah, that's what they do, eh? They scare you. You can keep using that.
I mean, it doesn't even feel like it.
Brim! Yes! Another species on lure.
What the heck?
Yeah! First brim on lure.
That's a.
Hey, he's not a bad one.
No.
Did you catch any brim before yesterday?
Not before yesterday. No.
He hasn't caught a lure one. That's awesome. These are spiky little buggers. The best way to hold a brim, man, is you push it
Where'd you cast?
and you push his
Right
thumb.
over here.
You push them ones down on your thumb so they don't get you. I'll give you the pliers, but that's cool. That's a lure brim.
Is that a keeper?
No, I think it's
No,
a little
he's
small.
a bit small. But he's caught on a lure. I wasn't expecting that.
Neither was I. It didn't really take it.
Yeah, just do
Kinda
a
just-
small whack.
I thought it was
Yeah,
a
what's that?
catfish.
What was it?
I thought it was a catfish.
You want a photo of him? Nah, he's not a
Not
trophy.
a small one.
He ain't no trophy. Yeah, I have friends out here, west here, and that they do a lot of hunting and catch their own deer and eat it, and sort of a big thing out in the west, out in the country.
Yeah, I'm actually looking to become a
There we go. Bye.
bit of a butcher for that kind of
Yeah.
crowd.
Alright, thanks again for watching another episode of the Ghost Fishing. That was quite an adventure. Yeah, the mate that I met for the first time that came for a run, it was definitely an Australian run for him, including someone falling in the water, but all good. Yeah, he got his first of 3 Australian species on lure, so guiding obviously is always very nerve-wracking because all of a sudden you've got a little bit of pressure to put your skills into play and actually deliver some fish for somebody and hope that your decisions that you're making are right so they can get the best experience. But yeah, it all worked out. I went off in a tuition, and I'd been seeing a few things happening over that spot, driving over it afternoons going to work, so I just had to check it out, and it paid off. So yeah, I'm stoked. But right now I'm just finishing up, and I'm actually going to send him home with some Australian made gear. I've got some Holt prawns and splash prawns, some lures from my local area and squidgies. Also some atomics and sugar pen, just to send him back to America. He's from San Francisco with some stuff that hopefully will work over there that nobody's ever seen before. So yeah, he's frothing. I mean, I think these Holt prawns and the splash prawns are going to make a difference anywhere they go. So alrighty, until next time, enjoy. Peace.